Hey guys, gonna be making 3 styles of picture frames. We'll be using both offcuts and just a big piece of walnut. I start by breaking down what I need out of the walnut. Next, I flatten the edge. A square is worthless because the face is not flat, so I use winding sticks to check the edge. With 3 boards prepped, I lay out for the rabbit. After the rabbets are cut, I lay out and work on shaping. The cherry frame will be beveled, the wider walnut one is going to be rounded over, and the thinnest one is left flat. And this one gets rounded over. After shaping, I cut the miters. And for the 2 shaped frames, it's easier to cut the miters with my miter saw. I take care to match the length on opposite sides of the frame. Then I zip out the rounded frame in the same way. I glue this up with hot hide glue and miter spring clamps. And while the glue is drying, I cut some splines. I only put splines in the miters of the flat frame. Next, I bang out a few dowels to make the frame stand. After that, I cut some glass to fit into the frames. I take the exact measurement from the rabbet opening, and the offset of the carbide cutter makes the glass just a hair undersized and will fit in like a glove. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. There are free plans and a spreadsheet where you input your picture size or the mat size if you're doing a mat around the picture, and it'll automatically give you the outputs needed for your frame. If you liked the video, then hit the thumbs up, drop a comment, and if you want to help support this channel, buy some plans, a shirt, or just throw a bone in the tip jar, check it out at franksworkbench.net.